Hello everyone, today I am discuss about NTP configuration. It means Network Time Protocol and it is used for clock synchronization between computer system over packet switch. Okay, you can see my today diagram and today tasks are in this side. Okay, let's move our today video. Okay, you can see I am already assigning interface IP addresses and this server IP address. You can see this is internet router. You can see all the interface IP address I am already assigned. Okay, let's move our task. First task is OSPF configuration in all the routers. Okay, I am first open internet router. CLI enable configure terminal router OSPF1 network. You can see OSPF network is 000.255.255.255 and area is 0. You can see this at the time created. Now move to router 1 and enable configure terminal router OSPF1 network and their area is 0. Okay. Now move to router 2. CLI enable configure terminal router OSPF1 network and area is 0. Okay, now move to router 3 and enable configure terminal router OSPF1 network is area. Okay, it's done. First configuration is done, and now move to first task. Configure the software clock on router 1, 2, 3. This is time, date and year. Okay, go to router 1 now. Exit, show clock detail. Okay, you can see now details and I set clock set. Now I check. Okay, you can see now change this router clock details. Now go to router 2. Exit, show clock detail and now set clock set. December 14. Okay, you can see now it configured. Move to router 3. Exit, show clock detail and set clock set. So now it's configured. Okay, first task is finished. Now go to check their mesh time zone. Okay, you can see I'm already do second task and router 3. You can see, yeah, it's finished. And move to task 3. Go to router 1 and synchronize NTP server and the address and stratum. Stratum means level of server. Okay, now go to configure router 1. Terminal, and type clock zone 8:30. Okay, clock time zone. Okay, now do show of detail. Okay, of details, and next I write NTP server and the address. This is, and type do show NTP association. Okay, now it's NTP. Okay, now okay, task 3 is completed. Now go to task 5 and it set router 1 for NTP mask and other router 2 and 3 authentication. Okay, first go to router 1 and type NTP master and type NTP authentication. Key value is 1. Key 1. ND5 Cisco and this time NTP trusted is 1. Okay, now do show NTP association. Okay, you can see this set now. Okay, now move to router 2. This route, this router 2, and configure terminal. Type NTP authentication is 1 and ND5 Cisco Packet. Not is basic. Okay, continue. So NTP trusted key 1 NTP server 192.2.2.1 and key is 1. Okay, this means this interface address is used for NTP server. Okay, this router used for this IP address for NTP server. Okay, now I type do show NTP association. Okay, you can see. Okay, example router 3 and type NTP authentication. Clearly is 1 ND5 Cisco. Okay, and next type NTP trusted keys 1 and next type NTP server 2. I'm using this interface IP address for server 12.13.1 and key value is 1. Now I have do show NTP CS. Okay, you can see it's done. Okay, let's move our next task. Okay, 4 is done. Now go to task 5. It is configure NTP to update the hardware calendar router 1, router 3. Okay, go to router 1 and type NTP update calendar. Sorry. Okay, now I type do show NTP status. Okay, you can see clock is synchronized. Okay, router 1 is finished and go to router 2 and type NTP update calendar do show NTP status. This is unsynchronized. Okay, now I create router OSPF 1 and F2. So now I go to check it. Now check do show clock detail. Oh, it is here. Now I sit and type clock set. Okay. Show clock. Yeah, it's now. Do show NTP status unsynchronized. Okay, now I type NTP update calendar and now check. Now I go to router OSPF 1 network. Update calendar. Check status. Okay, now I check do show clock detail. Date is and next I type sit and type clock set. Clock. Show clock detail. Okay, now configure terminal and NTP update calendar. Do show NTP status. Now I create router OSPF 1. Do show And now I go to check router 3. NTP auto, no, NTP update. Do show NTP status. You can see it is synchronized. Okay, that's all about my today video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you very much.